다니는 사람이 যেটা সেটা বন্ধ করবে কিন্তু বন্ধ করে সময় দিল সাড়ে 11টা বলে লাগে কেন ঠাকুরের ঠাকুর আসলে ঠাকুরের ইসলাম করে নিয়ম চাইব না তুমি দুপুরে সেটা না টাইম দিতে जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय 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 आनंद लीला विग्रहाय यमावती गोचविसुंदराय तस्मै महादेव सतताय चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते चैतन्य चंद्राय नमो नमस्ते नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णदुष्टाय भूतले श्रीमते गौरवैष्णवाय नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णदुष्टाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदांत स्वामी नमस्ते सरस्वती देवी गौरवाणी प्रचारिणी निर्विशेष शून्यवादी प्रसाद विष्णु जय श्री गुरुदेव जय श्री प्रभुपाद जय आचार्य वृंद जय वैष्णव जय गौरवताय जय श्री कृष्ण बलराम श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेश्वर श्री कृष्ण राधा गोविंद गोस्वामी राधा गोपाल गोस्वामी हरे कृष्ण। आज एक पवित्र दिवस आज श्रील वृंदावन दास ठाकुर शुभ तिरुभाव।
Hare Krishna. Today is an auspicious day. Today is the Remembrance Day of Sri Vrindavan Das Thakur.
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर जी की कृष्ण लीला थे वेदव्यास मुनि।
Vrindavan Das Thakur was Vedavyas Muni in Krishna Leela.
সেই वृंदावन दास ठाकुर সেই वेदव्यास कृष्ण द्वैपायन वेदव्यास এই গৌর লীলাতে वृंदावन दास ठाकुर के आशिषन्ते।
So this Vedavyas, who is Krishna Dvaipayana Vedavyas, in Chaitanya Leela he has come as Vrindavan Das Thakur.
वेदव्यास मुनि कृष्ण द्वैपायन वेदव्यास मुनि श्रीमद् भागवत प्रणयन करिछन्ते।
Krishna Dvaipayana Vedavyasa Muni, he has compiled Srimad Bhagavatam.
সেই শ্রীমদ্ ভাগবতমে সে কৃষ্ণের লীলা কথা বর্ণনা করেছেন।
In Bhagavatam, Vedavyasa Muni he has written about the pastimes of Krishna.
সেই কৃষ্ণ দ্বৈপায়ন বেদব্যাস চৈতন্য লীলায় সে আসিছেন শ্রীল বৃন্দাবন দাস ঠাকুর।
Then Vedavyasa Muni has now come as Vrindavan Das Thakur in Chaitanya Leela.
কারণ সে এই নিত্যানন্দ প্রভু অনুপ্রেরণারে মহাপ্রভুଙ୍କ লীলা কথা সে লিখিଛନ୍ତି। প্রথমে ইয়ার নামকরণ করেছিলেন শ্রী চৈতন্য মঙ্গল।
So this Vrindavan Das Thakur, he under the inspiration of Sri Nityananda Prabhu, he compiled this Sri Chaitanya Bhagavata, which was actually first named Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
ঠিক সেই সময়ে ଆଉ ଜଣେ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ପାର୍ଷଦ ଶ୍ରୀ ଲୋଚନ ଦାସ ଠାକୁର ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ଚରିତ୍ର ରୂପ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରାମାଣିକ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିଥିଲେ।
Simultaneously at the same time, another dear associate of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, his name is Lochana Das Thakur, he had written about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and compiled the book named Chaitanya Mangala as well.
ଲୋଚନ ଦାସ ଠାକୁର ସେ ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇ ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥରେ ନାମକରଣ କରିଥିଲେ ଏ ଶ୍ରୀ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମଙ୍ଗଳ।
Lochanas Thakur, he had named his compilation of Mahaprabhu's pastime as Chaitanya Mangala.
ଏଠାରେ ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ଲୀଳା ବିଷୟରେ। ये लोचन दास ठाकुर से जो ग्रंथ लिखिछंती जो नाम देइछंती वृंदावन दास ठाकुर से महाप्रभु चैतन्य लिखि से ग्रंथर नामकरण से चैतन्य मंगल करते।
So here we can see Lochanas Thakur part. He had written a book about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and named it as Chaitanya Mangala, and also Vrindavan Das Thakur part written something about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and named this book Chaitanya Mangala.
तेणु वृंदावन ठाकुर महा श्री नारायण देवी जी की महाप्रभु कृपार पात्र थे महाप्रभु उच्चिष्ट भोजनकारी थे निर्देश ये वृंदावन ठाकुर ग्रंथर नामकरण श्री चैतन्य मंगल श्री चैतन्य भागवतम कर।
So Vrindavan Das Thakur, his mother's name is Narayani Devi, and she is the recipient of the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had given his remembrance to her. So under Sri Narayani Devi's instruction, Vrindavan Das Thakur changed the book name of Chaitanya Mangala to now Chaitanya Bhagavatam.
इसलिए वृंदावन दास ठाकुर आविर्भाव होइथिला 1429 शताब्दी।
So Vrindavan Das Thakur, he appeared in this world in 1429
जमिति महाप्रभु आविर्भाव होइथिला 1407 शताब्दी ख्रीष्टाब्द 1486 ख्रीष्टाब्द 79 years difference.
So in this Sakapta and this Kapta, there is a certain difference in the years.
79 years.
Since 79 years. So
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appearance date, so 1497 Shakapta. According to Christopher, that means 1486 Krishna. This is the difference. Shakapta. Okay. ये वृंदावन दास ठाकुर आविर्भाव 1429 शताब्द वैशाखी कृष्ण द्वादशी तिथि मामगाची नाम स्थान वैशाख मास।
So Vrindavan Das Thakur, he was born in the month of Vaishakha.
वैशाख मास कृष्ण पक्ष
means dark fortnight.
द्वादशी तिथि
On the day of the Ekadasi.
तुम्हारे एकादशी या
Dwadasi.
मामगाची प्लेस
The birthplace of Vrindavan Das Thakur is called Mamgachi.
मामगाची कई कहती मतांतर है ये कुमार।
Some they say that Vrindavan Das Thakur was born in Kumarha.
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर मातांकर महाराज श्री नारायण देवी।
The name of the mother of Vrindavan Das Thakur is Narayani Devi.
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर पितांकर नाम श्री वैकुंठ नाथ।
The name of the father of Vrindavan Das Thakur is Vaikuntanath.
वृंदावन दास ठाकुर जेतବେଳେ मातृ गर्भରେ ଥିଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ପିତୃଦେବ वैकुंठ नाथ ଅବତାର ହେଲେ।
When Narayani Devi was pregnant with Vrindavan Das Thakur, her husband husband Vaikuntanath, he expired.
ତେଣୁ ବୃନ୍ଦାବନ ଠାକୁର ପିତା ଶ୍ରୀ ବୈକୁଣ୍ଠନାଥ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କର ସେବାରେ ନିଜକୁ ଏନଗେଜ କରିପାରିନଥିଲେ।
Vaikuntanath, he was not able to engage himself in the service of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
ଏଥିଲାଗି ଶ୍ରୀ ବୃନ୍ଦାବନ ଠାକୁର ତାଙ୍କ ପିତାଙ୍କର ନାମ ତାଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥରେ କୌଣସି ଜାଗାରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି।
Therefore, Vrindavan Das Thakur had not written the name of his father in any part of his book Chaitanya Bhagavata.
ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ଭାଗବତ ତାଙ୍କ ମାତୃ ଦେବୀଙ୍କର ନାମ ବିଶେଷ ଭାବରେ ସେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରୁଛନ୍ତି।
But in Chaitanya Bhagavata, we can see in many places Vrindavan Das Thakur writing the name of his mother Narayani Devi.
ନାରାୟଣ ଦେବୀ ଅନ୍ୟ କେହି ନଥିଲେ, କୃଷ୍ଣ ଲୀଳାରେ ସେ ଥିଲେ। ଏଠାରେ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ଯେ କିଳିଣ୍ଡିକା।
So, this Narayani Devi in Krishna Leela is Kilimbika.
କିଳିଣ୍ଡିକା
Kilimbika.
କିଳିଣ୍ଡିକା କିଳିଣ୍ଡିକାଙ୍କର ବଡ଼ ଭଉଣୀ ନାମ ଥିଲା ଅମ୍ବିକା।
The elder sister of Kilimbika was Ambika
ଅମ୍ବିକା
in Krishna Leela.
କୃଷ୍ଣ ଲୀଳା ଅମ୍ବିକା ଦେବୀ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କ ସ୍ତନ୍ୟପାନ କରାଉଥିଲେ। ସ୍ତନ୍ୟ
Ambika Mata, she was feeding Krishna, breastfeeding Krishna.
ଆଉ ସେ ଅମ୍ବିକା ଦେବୀଙ୍କର ଭଉଣୀ ଇଏ କିଳିଣ୍ଡିକା ସେ ଥିଲେ କୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କର ଉଚ୍ଛିଷ୍ଟ ଭୋଜି।
So this younger sister of Ambika, Kilimbika, she takes the remnants of Krishna.
সেই ଅମ୍ବିକା ଦେବୀ ଗୌର ଲୀଳାରେ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ପଣ୍ଡିତଙ୍କର ପତ୍ନୀ ମାଳିନୀ।
So this Ambika in Krishna Leela is actually the wife of Srivas Thakur, Malini Devi in Gaura Leela.
ଆଉ ସେଇ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର ବଡ଼ ଭାଇଙ୍କର ଝିଅ ସେ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି ନାରାୟଣୀ।
Srivas Thakur's elder brother's daughter is Narayani Devi.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ପାଞ୍ଚ ଭାଇ।
Srivas Thakur, altogether they are 5 brothers.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କର ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ ଯାହାଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ଇଏ ଏଠାରେ କୁହାଯାଉଛି ନଳିନୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ, ଶ୍ରୀ ନଳିନୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ, ଶ୍ରୀ ନଳିନ ପଣ୍ଡିତ, ନଳିନ।
So the elder brother of Srivas Thakur is named Nalina Pandita.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ସେ ଥିଲେ ପାଞ୍ଚ ଭାଇ।
So Srivas Thakur, they have 5 brothers.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ସେମାନେ ଥିଲେ ପାଞ୍ଚ ଭାଇ।
Srivas Thakur, they have one family, they are 5 brothers.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ବଡ଼ ଭାଇଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ଶ୍ରୀ ନଳିନୀ ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
So the elder brother's name is Sri Nalina Pandit.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
Second is Srivas Pandita.
ଥାର୍ଡ ଶ୍ରୀ ରାମ ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
The third is Sri Ram Pandita.
ଫୋର୍ଥ ଶ୍ରୀପତି ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
Fourth is Sripati Pandita.
ଆଉ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଫିଫ୍ଥ ଶ୍ରୀନିଧି ବା ଶ୍ରୀକାନ୍ତ ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
So the fifth is Srinidhi or Srikanta Pandita.
ପାଞ୍ଚ ଭାଇ ସମସ୍ତେ ହିଁ ପଣ୍ଡିତ।
All 5 brothers are scholars.
ଏ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ବଡ଼ ଭାଇ ଯାହାଙ୍କର ନାଁ ଥିଲା ଶ୍ରୀ ନଳିନ ପଣ୍ଡିତ, ନଳିନ ପଣ୍ଡିତ ଅସମୟରେ ଅପ୍ରକଟ ହେଇଥିଲେ।
So Srivas Thakur's elder brother Sri Nalina Pandita, in a very odd time he expired.
ତେଣୁ ସେଇ ନଳିନ ପଣ୍ଡିତଙ୍କର କନ୍ୟା ଶ୍ରୀ ନାରାୟଣୀ ଦେବୀ ଏ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ଅଧୀନରେ ଲାଳିତ ହେଉଥିଲେ।
So the daughter of this Nalina Pandita, Narayani Devi, was being taken care of by Srivas Thakur.
ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ଗୃହରେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ନାରାୟଣୀ ଦେବୀ ଅବସ୍ଥାନ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ବୟସ 4 ବର୍ଷ ମାତ୍ର ଥିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଶ୍ରୀବାସ ଠାକୁର ଗୃହରେ ମହାଭାବ ପ୍ରକାଶ ଲୀଳା ପ୍ରଦର୍ଶନ କରିଥିଲେ।
When Sri Narayani Devi was 4 years old, that time she was remaining in the house of Srivas Thakur. At that particular time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was showing his Mahabhav Prakash pastime.
और महाप्रभु सम्मुखेर ये बालिकार उपरे नारायणी देवी जो उपस्थित थे महाप्रभु तांको निर्देश देते नारायणी तुमी कृष्ण बलि कांदो.
That time, Narayani Devi was in front of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. That time, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Narayani, now you should chant the name of Krishna and cry.
At the time she was 4 years.
At that time, she was 4 years old.
तो महाप्रभु का आदेश प्राप्त हुए नारायण देवी भाव उन्मत्त है हा कृष्ण.
That time, getting the instructions from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, she with a lot of bhava, emotion, devotion, she chanted Ha Krishna.
हा कृष्ण कहे से भूमि पर लुटे पड़े.
In this way, chanting the name of Krishna, she fainted on the ground.
और तांको तो यहाँ की रो गंगा जमुना ये ब्रह्मा सुधारा निर्गत होगा.
That time, from her both eyes, the flood of tears like Ganga and river, Ganga and Yamuna was flowing from her both eyes.
सेटा का माटी कोर्टमान रहेगा काबू है.
Because of so much of water flowing from her eyes, the earth became muddy.
महाप्रभु सेतबेले तांको उच्चिष्ट अर्थात से जो पाम चुआउଥିଲେ सेही पामर अवशिष्ट ने नारायण को देले महाप्रभु उच्चिष्ट से प्राप्त.
That time Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, which Ditulnath he was chewing, he took the remnants and gave to this Narayani Devi. In this way, Narayani Devi attained the remnants of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
ये आचार्यों माने हमारे गौरी आचार्यों माने ये माने ये सिद्धांत देउछन्ति महाप्रभुଙ୍କର एक उच्चिष्ट भक्तन जोगु साक्षात कृष्ण दैवान देवदास तांकर घर पर आसिले श्री वृंदावन राष्ट्र.
Our Gauriya Acharya, seeing this pastime of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu giving his own remnants to Narayani Devi, they have concluded by Narayani Devi accepting these remnants, Krishna Dvaipayana Vyasadeva, he himself came in the womb of Sri Narayani Devi.
क्योंकि से वृंदावन दास ठाकुर तांकर गुरु होउछन्ति श्री नित्यानंद प्रभु.
The guru of Sri Vrindavan Thakur is Nityananda Prabhu.
और ये वृंदावन ठाकुर थे श्री नित्यानंद प्रभु को शेष शिष्य.
So Vrindavan Thakur was the last disciple of Nityananda Prabhu.
क्योंकि नित्यानंद प्रभु को कृपा शक्ति प्रभाव है ये वृंदावन ठाकुर महाप्रभु को चरित्र कथा से वर्णन करने पाए से प्रस्तुत होएगा.
By getting the mercy strength from Sri Nityananda Prabhu, Vrindavan Das Thakur prepared himself to write the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ସେ ये चरित्र कथा लिखुଥିଲେ महाप्रभु चरित्र कथा ସେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କର ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ନିତ୍ୟାନନ୍ଦ ପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ସ୍ଫୂର୍ତ୍ତି ଆସିଲା.
That time when Vrindavan Das Thakur was going to write about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the remembrance of this Smriti Kemti
what is it? Emotion.
Memory.
memory.
Memory. Memory. Smriti.
Spurti.
Smriti. माने स्फूर्ति प्रेरणा है. Inspiration.
Nityananda Prabhu's inspiration came into his heart.
और ये स्फूर्ति जब से नित्यानंद प्रभु पर चरित्र कथा वर्णना कर ग्रंथ इतना बढ़ गया से डरी गया.
Because this Spurti, this inspiration came from Nityananda Prabhu, he started to write about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu so much that the book became so huge.
ଏଇପରି ଭାବରେ ବୃନ୍ଦାବନ ଠାକୁର ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କର ଲୀଳା କଥା ଆଦି ଲୀଳା ଆଉ ଇଏ ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ଭାବେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିଛନ୍ତି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଲୀଳା ସେତେ ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ଭାବେ ନୁହେଁ ଆଉ ଅନ୍ତର୍ଲୀଳା ପୁରା ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
So in this way you see Chaitanya Bhagavata, Vrindavan Das Thakur has written voluminous version of the Adi Leela of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but not so much for the Madhya Leela and not at all for Antya Leela.
ତେଣୁ ବୃନ୍ଦାବନ ଦାସ ଠାକୁରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ରଚିତ ଏ ଯେ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମଙ୍ଗ, ପ୍ରଥମେ ନାଁ ଥିଲା ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ମଙ୍ଗ, ପରେ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ଭାଗବତ ଲେଖିଥିଲେ। ଯାହାର এই গ্রন্থ ये भक्तिर ऊपर आधारित করে লেখা হয়েছিল।
This, which was previously known as Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, but now Chaitanya Bhagavata, this grantha or book is completely based on bhakti.
তেমনি ইয়াকে বলা হয় ভক্তি শাস্ত্র।
Therefore, this is called scripture of devotion, Bhakti Shastra,
ভক্তি গ্রন্থ।
Bhakti Grantha.
এই পরিবার বৃন্দাবন ঠাকুর মহাপ্রভুଙ୍କର অন্তলীলা সূত্র আকারে কেবল উল্লেখ করে যাইছে।
So, in a very short form, Vrindavan Das Thakur has written about the disappearance pastime or last pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
এবং সে মতো ভবিষ্যৎবাণী করে যাইଥିଲେ, পরবর্তী ব্যাস আসি তা বিস্তারিত ভাবে বর্ণনা করে।
Vrindavan Das Thakur also he foresaw that in the future someone else will come to write more about Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
তিনি বৃন্দাবন ঠাকুর লিখিত এই যে চৈতন্য মঙ্গ, যা পরবর্তী চৈতন্য ভাগবত, বৃন্দাবনের যেତେବେଳେ ये हरिदास पंडित आदि महान महान वैष्णव माने ଯେତେବେଳେ ମହାପ୍ରଭୁଙ୍କ ଚରିତ୍ର କଥା ये ପାଠ କରୁଥିଲେ, ଶ୍ରବଣ କରୁଥିଲେ, ସେମାନେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ସାଗରରେ ନିମଜ୍ଜିତ ହୋଇଯାଉଥିଲେ।
So in Vrindavan, Haridas Pandit with other devotees of Mahaprabhu were reading and relishing the Chaitanya Bhagavata. While listening this Chaitanya Bhagavata, they had developed so much bhava and they became so happy listening the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
এইপরি ভাବରେ বৃন্দাবন যেতে সব বড় বড় বৈষ্ণব মানে ये মহাপ্রভুଙ୍କର চরিত্র কথা যা বৃন্দাবন ঠাকুর দ্বারা লিখিত, এই রস আস্বাদন করে করে শেষে সেই কথা ସେମାନେ ଆଉ ଆସ୍ୱାଦନ କରିପାରିଲେ ନାହିଁ।
So this all the great Vaishnavas were reading and relishing Mahaprabhu's pastimes, which was written by Vrindavan Das Thakur.
କାହିଁକି ନା ବୃନ୍ଦାବନ ଠାକୁର ମହାପ୍ରଭୁ ଶେଷ ଲୀଳା କଥା ବିସ୍ତାରିତ ଭାବେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରିନଥିଲେ।
But at that time, Vrindavan Das Thakur had not written about the pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the end.
ତେଣୁ ସେମାନେ ବିଚାର କଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବୃନ୍ଦାବନରେ ଏଇପରି ଏକ ଯୋଗ୍ୟତା ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ ବୈଷ୍ଣବ ଥିଲେ ଯାହାଙ୍କ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି କୃଷ୍ଣଦାସ କବିରାଜ।
That time when they saw that the last pastimes of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was not written or not explained more elaborately, that time they were thinking who will do so and who is there in Vrindavan. At that time one great Vaishnava was there, his name is Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami.
কৃষ্ণদাস কবিরাজ গোস্বামীଙ୍କ বয়স সেତେବେଳେ 100 ବର୍ଷ ପାଖ ଅତିବୃଦ୍ଧ ଅବস্থା।
So at that time the age that time Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Palan's age was 100 years old.
ତେଣୁ ଏହି ଅବସ୍ଥା ବୈଷ୍ଣବମାନଙ୍କର ଅନୁରୋଧ ସୁରକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ କୃପା ଭିକ୍ଷା ମାଗିବାକୁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ।
So that time Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, after hearing the proposal from the Vaishnavas, he went to beg for mercy to Madana Gopal.
କିନ୍ତୁ ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କର ବେକର ମାଳା ତାଙ୍କର ମସ୍ତକ ଉପରେ ପଡ଼ିଥାଏ।
When he went to pray for mercy from Madan Gopal, that time the garland from the neck of Madan Gopal fell onto his neck.
ତେଣୁ ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳ ଏଥିରେ ସମର୍ଥନ କଲେ ତୁମେ ଏହି କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ ସମ୍ପନ୍ନ କରିପାରିବ ମୋର କୃପା।
So in this way, everyone could understand that Madan Gopal had given his blessing for Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami to successfully write and fulfill the proposal of the Vaishnavas.
ତେଣୁ କୃଷ୍ଣଦାସ କବିରାଜ ଗୋସ୍ୱାମୀ ତାଙ୍କର ଗ୍ରନ୍ଥରେ ସେ କ୍ରେଡିଟ୍ ସେ ନିଜେ ନେବା ପାଇଁ ଚାହିଁଲେ ନାହିଁ, ସେ ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଦାନ କଲେ।
So if you see Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami has not taken any credit for himself, rather he has given all the credit to Madan Gopal.
ତେଣୁ ସେ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ଚରିତାମୃତରେ ଉଲ୍ଲେଖ କରିଛନ୍ତି, আমি বৃদ্ধ জরাতো লিখিতে কাঁপায় কর, না দেখিয়ে নয়নে না শুনিয়ে শ্রবণে তবু লিখি এও এক বড় বিশ্ব। মানে আমি বৃদ্ধ,
He's saying, Krishnadas Kaviraj is saying, Ami Vriddha, means I am old. Means he is such an old age.
ମୋର ହାତ ଥରୁଛି,
His hands are shaking while writing.
ମୋର ଆଖି ଦ୍ୱାରା କେବଳ ଦେଖିପାରୁନି,
He is not able to see with his own eyes.
ମୋର କାନ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯାଇଛି ଠିକ ଶୁଣିପାରୁନି,
His ears is such a condition he cannot listen properly,
ତବୁ ତଥାପି ଲେଖୁଛି।
but still unable to write.
ତେଣୁ ସାକ୍ଷାତ ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳ କୃପା କରି ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଲେଖାଉଛି।
Therefore, we can understand that Madan Gopal himself is inspiring me and he is writing.
ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳ ପରେ ଲେଖାଏ, ମାନେ
Means,
ମଦନ ଗୋପାଳ ମୋ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଲେଖାଉଛନ୍ତି।
means Madan Gopal, through him, actually Madan Gopal is writing.
ତେଣୁ ଚୈତନ୍ୟ ଚରିତାମୃତ ଏଥିଲାଗି କୁହାଯାଉଛି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟଡି,
Therefore, the Chaitanya Charitamrita is called as postgraduate study,
ୟୁନିଭର୍ସିଟି ଷ୍ଟଡି।
university study.
ଏହା ପୂର୍ବରୁ କଲେଜ ଷ୍ଟଡି, ଗ୍ରାଜୁଏଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟଡି ଶ୍ରୀମଦ୍ ଭାଗବତ,
Before that is college or graduate study, Srimad Bhagavatam.
ତା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ପ୍ରିଲିମିନାରୀ ଷ୍ଟଡି ବା ସ୍କୁଲ ଷ୍ଟଡି ଶ୍ରୀମଦ୍ ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା।
Before that is school study or preliminary study, that is Bhagavad Gita.
ତେଣୁ ଭଗବାନ ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧରେ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ହେଲେ ଆମକୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଶ୍ରୀମଦ୍ ଭଗବତ ଗୀତା ଅତି ସୁନ୍ଦର ଭାବରେ ବୁଝିବାକୁ ହେବ।
So really, if you want to understand Bhagavan, first we have to understand Bhagavad Gita very nicely first.
କାହିଁକିନା କୃଷ୍ଣ ସ୍ୱୟଂ ସେଥିରେ କହିଛନ୍ତି, ସବୁ କିଛି ପରିହାର କରି ମୋ ଚରଣରେ ଆତ୍ମସମର୍ପଣ କର, ମୋର କୃପାରୁ ତୁମ କୃପାରୁ ପାପ କର୍ମ ଫଳ ଭୋଗିବାର ଥିଲା, ସେଥିରୁ ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ମୁକ୍ତି ଦେଇଦେବି।
Because in Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is saying that you should abandon everything and simply surrender on my lotus feet. If you do so, whatever reactions, whatever you have done in the past, all will be cleansed.
ତେଣୁ ଭଗବାନ କୃଷ୍ଣ ଇଏ ମୋତେ କହିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ତୁମେ ଯେହେତୁ ଦୁର୍ଲଭ ମନୁଷ୍ୟଦେହ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେଇଛ, ଏ ଦୁର୍ଲଭ ମନୁଷ୍ୟଦେହଟା କେବଳ 4 ପ୍ରକାର କାମ କରିବାକୁ ହେବ।
That time, Krishna is also saying that you have now gotten the rare form of human life. So in this human form of life, there is 4 things you should do.
ତେଣୁ ଅନାଦି କାଳ ଧରି ତୁମେ ମୁଁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମୋ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ି ଜଗତ କଥାରେ ତୁମେ ମାତିଥିଲ, ତେଣୁ ତୁମେ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ଚକ୍ରରେ ବୁଲିଥିଲ।
So Krishna is explaining that my name is Jagannatha, I am Lord of the world. But forgetting me, you are thinking about worldly things. Therefore, you will suffer by 2 things: birth, death, old age, disease.
ତେଣୁ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୋ କୃପାରେ ତୁମେ ଦୁର୍ଲଭ ମନୁଷ୍ୟଦେହ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ ହେଇଛ, ତେଣୁ ତୁମେ ଜଗତ କଥା ଛାଡ଼ି ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ମୁଁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମୋ କଥା ସର୍ବଦା ମନରେ ଚିନ୍ତା କର।
So Bhagavan Krishna is saying, now you have gotten the human form of life, forget the worldly thoughts, and now think about Jagannatha, me, the Lord of the worlds, and come to me.
ଆଉ ତୁମେ ତୁମର ମନସ୍କାମନା ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ କରିବା ପାଇଁ କେତେ ଦେବତାମାନଙ୍କୁ ତୁମେ ଉପାସନା କରିବ, ଏସବୁ ପରିହାର କେବଳ ମୋର ଭକ୍ତ।
Bhagavan Krishna is saying, to fulfill your different desires from your mind, you are praying to so many devatas. Forget all of this and simply pray to me.
ତୁମେ କେତେ ଦେବଦେବୀଙ୍କୁ ପୂଜା କରିଦେବ, ସେସବୁ ପରିହାର କରି କେବଳ ମୋତେ ପୂଜା କର।
You were worshipping so many devis. Now stop all that and simply worship me.
ଆଉ କେବଳ ମୋତେ ପ୍ରଣାମ କର।
Bhagavan Krishna is saying, only pay obeisances to me.
ଏଇ 4 ପ୍ରକାର କାର୍ଯ୍ୟ, ମନ ଭବ ମତ ଭକ୍ତ ମା ଜାଜି ମାଙ୍ଗ ନମସ୍କାର। सर्वदा मेरे मो कथा चिंता करो मोर भक्त हो मते उपासना करो मते नमस्कार करो.
In this way, Bhagavan Krishna said 4 things to us to do. Keep him always in his mind.
Always think about
Then always think about him. Second, become his devotee.
Become my devotee. Worship.
Then completely always worship me and only pay obeisances to me. This Bhagavan Krishna has said to us.
Your life will be successful.
And in this way, your life will be successful.
ते चार करता प्रिलिमिनरी स्टडी श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अध्ययन द्वारा ये ज्ञान प्राप्त हवा हमें जो दुर्लभ मनुष्य देह प्राप्त होइछे एई मनुष्य देह द्वारा केवल चारि प्रकार कार्य करिबा सर्वदा मनरे भगवान को चिंतन करिबा आ भगवान सर्वदा मनरे किपर चिंतन करिबा केवो सेई भगवान दर्शन करि जुगरे चैतन्य महाप्रभु आसी हम मते एमिति गोटे मंत्र देले सेई मंत्र भगवान कृष्ण द्वारा आविर्भाव हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. ये मंत्र द्वारा हम सर्वदा भगवान कृष्ण को मन में धारण करता.
So, to understand Bhagavan Krishna, first the preliminary study was given Bhagavad Gita. From that, 4 things should be done by the conditioned soul, which Maharaj explained. And the first is Man Manama Bhava, means to always think of him. But how to think of him? To teach us that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu came. And he has given us the holy name and he has given us the path how one can constantly think about Krishna.
Then ये प्रथम प्रिलिमिनरी स्टडी माध्यमे हमें सूत्र पाई गयो हमारा आरब्ध होचंद भगवान कृष्ण.
By studying the preliminary study, which is Bhagavad Gita, we came to the conclusion that Bhagavan Krishna is the all-worshipable one.
इन प्रथम ये संबंध ये नित्य संबंध कृष्ण का पादपद्म सहित हमको स्थापन किया.
So, first of all, we have to develop our eternal relationship back with Bhagavan Krishna.
यानी पांच प्रकार संबंध मानते मतलब जे प्रकार संबंध संबंधित है हमें यदि कृष्ण के चरणाश्रय करिबा तापर से कृष्ण को प्रसन्न विधान में भक्ति करिबा ता है ग्रेजुएट स्टडी अतः श्रीमद् भागवत श्रवण कीर्तन कृष्ण स्मरण पाद सेवन वंदन वंदन दास शासन आत्मनिर्भर ये भक्ति विषय का क्वाला এই যদি আমি ভক্তি করি পারিবা তাহার ভক্তি পরিণাম স্বরূপ যে ফল সে প্রেম আমি প্রাপ্ত হই পাবে সে প্রেম তথা এই চৈতন্য চৈতন্য হচ্ছে পোস্ট গ্রাজুয়েশন পরম সিদ্ধি আমি সেটা প্রাপ্ত হই পারিবা যখন আমি কৃষ্ণ প্রেম প্রাপ্ত তো এই প্রেম ও কৃষ্ণ শ্রী গৌরাঙ্গ ওকে ফার্স্ট preliminary study श्रीमद् भगवद गीता अध्ययन द्वारा हाँ हमें जानी परिवा हमारा नित्य संबंध कहाँ से कृष्ण का.
By studying Bhagavad Gita, listening Bhagavad Gita, first of all we will understand that we have an eternal relationship with Bhagavan Krishna.
तो यह भी कहा जाता है प्राइमरी अध्ययन.
So this is called as primary education.
तेनी से भगवान प्रसन्न विधान करिबा बेले वर्तमान संबंध स्थापित हो जाए. पांच प्रकार संबंध कहा जाए माने प्रभु भक्त संबंध शाखा शाखा संबंध तापर पिता पुत्र संबंध कांता कांत संबंध अन्य संबंध ये पांच प्रकार संबंध. There are 5 kinds of relationships.
So now there are 5 kinds of relationships with Krishna.
First ये प्रभु भक्त संबंध.
First is Prabhu Bhutta Sambandha, means master and servant relationship.
शाखा शाखा संबंध
Means relationship as friends.
फ्रेंडशिप. और ये पिता पुत्र संबंध.
Next is the relationship as father and son.
फोर्थ कांता कांत संबंध.
The fourth relationship is relationship between lovers.
और अन्य संबंध.
Anyanya Sambandha means other type of relationship.
पांच प्रकार संबंध आदर संबंधित है आम यदि कृष्ण को प्रसन्न विधान पाए जो सेवा करवा ताकि पाया भक्ति.
So, having one of the five relationship with Krishna and doing certain services for the pleasure of Krishna is called as bhakti.
एक भक्ति कथा श्रीमद् भागवत में व्याख्या है.
This talks about bhakti has been described in Srimad Bhagavatam.
यदि प्रहलाद महाराज से एक कथा कहते ये भक्ति का ना श्रवण एक भगवान के कथा श्रवण भगवान का महिमा कथा कीर्तन भगवान का नाम कीर्तन एक करी श्रवण कीर्तन यदि रखा हो सर्वदा हम भगवान को स्मरण करिपरिवा आप सर्व जो जो अच्छे से चर्चा आसे भगवान का दर्शन या पाद सेवन यदि लक्ष्मी डायरेक्ट पाद सेवन हम भी पाद सेवन आने पाद सेवन जो जो अच्छे से भगवान का आशीर्वाद
So in Bhagavatam we can see what is this bhakti is, and Prahlad Maharaj has explained to us. Shravana means we listen about the glories of Bhagavan Bhakta. Kirtana, we repeat the glories of Bhagavan and Bhagavan Bhakta, and by listening and repeating about the glories of Bhagavan and Bhagavan's Bhakta, one is remembering. Then comes Pada Seva. Lakshmi Devi has the opportunity to directly serve the lotus feet of Bhagavan, but we all do not have that opportunity. So what does Pada Sevana means for us? Means we are all situated in very far places, in different places. To come to Bhagavan's temple and take darshan of his lotus feet, that is Pada Sevana for us. This is called as Abhisara.
Abhisara means Krishna Arku Ashira.
Means coming towards Krishna. That is called Abhisara.
Archana. Yamani puja archana charite.
So next is Archana, means deity worship.
Vandana. Yamani ame sastuti korite. Brahma Samhita, Siddhasthana sastuti.
So next is called Vandana. We are reciting different stuti or prayers for the pleasure of Krishna. Brahma Samhita, Siddhasthana. This is called Vandana.
विभिन्न स्तुति जैसे गजेंद्र स्तुति कुंती स्तुति भीष्म स्तुति भगवत 35 kinds of स्तुति.
So in Bhagavatam we have prayers, stuti, 35 prayers are there. Singing this to Bhagavan Krishna is called Vandana.
एक भी स्तुति द्वारा भगवान को प्रसन्न विधान करके भगवान की कृपा से प्राप्त.
If for the pleasure of Bhagavan Krishna we will recite these prayers, then Bhagavan Krishna will shower mercy on us.
हमें समस्त जानते हैं भागवत में कितने प्रकार स्तुति होती ना काउंट नहीं छोड़ देखा जाता 35 प्रकार स्तुति.
So if we count how many prayers are there in Bhagavatam, we come to the conclusion that there are 35.
यानी 35 प्रकार स्तुति मान के मतलब भागवत प्रथम स्तुति होती कुंती की स्तुति.
So the first prayer in Bhagavatam will find Kunti Stuti.
एक बारी ब्रह्मा स्तुति, इंद्र स्तुति, एक बारी इंद्र स्तुति, एक बारी धृतराष्ट्र स्तुति, कितने प्रकार स्तुति और जी एक बारी 35 प्रकार स्तुति भागवत में आ जाए.
So in Bhagavatam so many stutis are there. Kunti Stuti, Bhishma Stuti, Indra Stuti, Brahma Stuti, Dhritarashtra Stuti. In this way 35 stutis are there. Except
ये स्तुति दास यहाँ पर दास भाव भगवान होते एकमात्र प्रभु मुँह होते कंकर दास ये दास के अंदर भगवान की सेवा प्रभु की सेवा.
So
ये हनुमान दास भाव है भगवान का सेवा कर भगवान का कृष्ण विधान के निमित्त कृष्ण विधान करेंगे जे देवे भगवान रामचंद्र से निज मुद्रे कहते हनुमान तुम्हें जे प्रभु मत सेवा करो ये ऋण मुझे बेहरे तुम्हारे परिशोध करी पारिबे नहीं. जेमनि कृष्ण भगवान को तुम्हें जे प्रभु सेवा करो ये सेवा प्रतिदान मु तुमके दे पारिबे नहीं. किंतु कृष्ण अधिकार जे ये प्रतिज्ञा कर जे जनाम को सदैव भजन इन सही पते खेल मार जाए हनुमान को करे.
So after Vandanam comes Dasya. Dasya means the person is thinking himself as the eternal servant of the Lord, and that the Lord is his eternal master. In this way, he is serving the Lord. So when we see about Dasya, the example of Hanumanji comes. The way Hanumanji has served Ramchandra Mahaprabhu for his pleasure, Ramchandra has said that I cannot pay back the debt that I have incurred from you. The same way Bhagavan Krishna says to the gopis that I cannot pay back the debt by so much love you have done for us, we cannot pay this back. But that same Bhagavan Krishna has said in Bhagavad Gita that ye yatamam prapodante means I will accordingly award according to your surrender. But the Lord has failed in two places, towards the gopis and towards Hanumanji.
Bhagavan Ramachandra রাজমন্দিরে বৈষ্ণব পর 11,000 বছর পর্যন্ত রাজনীতি করেছিলেন এবং লক্ষণন্ত্র অন্তর্ধান করার পর তারপরদিন ভগবান রামচন্দ্র বেজার চাহিদা নাই তেণু অযোধ্যাবাসী মানুষ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସାଥିରେ ନେଇ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ନିଜ ଧାମ ମହାବୈକୁଣ୍ଠକୁ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି କିନ୍ତୁ ତାଙ୍କ ସବୁଠାରୁ ବଡ଼ ଭକ୍ତ ହନୁମାନ ବେଳରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଲେ।
So after defeating Ravana, Ramchandra Mahaprabhu, he became the king of Ayodhya and he ruled as king for 11,000 years. After Lakshmana had disappeared from this world to his abode, the day after that day, Pordina, that time Ramchandra, he did not want to live in this world anymore and he brought all the residents of Ayodhya back to Mahavaikunta.
हनुमान
leaving Hanuman behind.
हनुमान को भगवान रामचंद्र 3 थर आलिंगन करछन विशेष भाव या व्यतीत मनुष्य आलिंगन करते কিন্তু এই 3 प्रकार आलिंगन प्राप्त है हनुमान से निजे चिंता करले मोर देह एत पवित्र हो जायछि मु आ ये देह को केवल परित्याग करिया पाए चाहिए ना तेने से हनुमान अमरत्व प्राप्त है से अवस्था।
So Hanuman has gotten embrace from Ramchandra Mahaprabhu many times, but 3 times we can say is very special. So because of these 3 special embraces, Hanumanji thought that this body has become so much purified by the touch of Ramchandra that I do not want to leave this body. So in this way he has gotten the boon of not leaving this body. Therefore, he is still remaining in this mortal world.
ये 3टा विशेष स्पेशल आलिंगन ये प्रथम होची हनुमान सीता देवी को अनुसंधान करी से समाचार आनी रामचंद्र के दवा के रामचंद्र अत्यंत प्रसन्न है प्रथम थर आलिंगन।
So, Maharaj spoke about the 3 special embraces. The first embrace or special embrace was when Hanumanji went and found out where Sita Devi is and he brought this news to Ramchandra Mahaprabhu and told him. Hearing the whereabouts of Sita Devi from Hanuman, Hanumanji got the special embrace or first special embrace from Ramchandra.
द्वितीय थर जेतेबेले रावण द्वारा लक्ष्मण को तीरबिद्ध करा जाइथिला एवं से तीर परिणा थिला सूर्य यदि उदय है लक्ष्मण और बंचिबनी कि रात्रि रात्रि हनुमान ये 4 प्रकार भेषज हिमाचल पर्वत हिमाचल पर्वत उठाई करी आसिले आ ये सुसेन जे पांडवमानकर भयक से भेषज ने लक्ष्मण को नागर धरवा जो लक्ष्मण चेतना प्राप्त है पुनर्जीत है लक्ष्मण थे रामचंद्र को प्राण ठार अधिक प्रिय यहीपरि लक्ष्मण प्राण फेरी पाइबा जो भगवान रामचंद्र हनुमान देव अत्यंत प्रसन्न है ये द्वितीय थर आलिंगन।
So Lakshmana is more dear to Ramchandra than his own life. And when Ravana shot an arrow on Lakshmana, he fainted and became unconscious. So to again bring him back to consciousness, before the sunrise, Hanumanji went and brought this Dronachal mountain. by which they are having some herbs which Susena will give you, 4 types of herbs which Susena will take and give to Lakshmana. So when Hanumanji brought this mountain, and from that the herbs was taken and this was given to Lakshmana, Lakshmana again got back consciousness. Seeing this, Ramchandra Mahaprabhu became very pleased with Hanuman and embraced him specially for the second time.
तृतीय जेते सीता उद्धार करी ने अधिकार फेरिया से सीता राम राजगद्दी रे अवस्थान करले जेतेबेले जिते सब साहाय्य करते ये युद्ध रे से बामन को विशेष सब बामन को समस्त को सब प्रकार उपहार द्वारा कृष्ण विराम कर दिए शेष हनुमान जी को आशुक कह दिले सेतेबेले रामचंद्र पाखे और कौन उपहार दावरी किसी नाथिला तेरे रामचंद्र सेतेबेले हनुमान कहले हनुमान तुम्हें कहीं समस्त शेष को आशुक मो पाखे जा तुम सब विकार कर देगी मो पाखे किसी नहीं मो पाखे.
So after Ramchandra Mahaprabhu defeated Ravana and he again went back to his kingdom of Ayodhya with Sita Devi, that time he welcomed everyone who helped him fight in the war. So to all of them he was giving different gifts. Then it came a point of time when he had finished all his gifts. At that time Hanumanji came when everything finished.
तो सेतेबेले हनुमान हाथ जोड़ी हसी हसी कहले प्रभु आपनकर पाखे देखो बड़ बड़ वस्तु थिला सब दे देछन्ती किंतु आपन पाखे अवशिष्ट गोटे छोटिया वस्तु रही से छोटिया वस्तु जो मत देवे सेतरे पसंद है.
That time Hanumanji is smilingly, laughingly telling to Ramchandra Mahaprabhu that you are having so many big gifts and then you have given away. Now there is something which you are having which is very small. If you will give me that small thing, I will become extremely pleased.
तो भगवान रामचंद्र हनुमान को प्रश्न कर दिला मो पाखे कुछ नहीं सब पैसे बट हनुमान एमिति कर प्रश्न करले बट रामचंद्र चिंता करे.
Ramchandra Mahaprabhu, he is thinking that I have already given everything and I don't have anything with me. So what is he wanting from me? He is thinking now, Ramchandra Mahaprabhu.
रामचंद्र सदा चिंता करो मो पाखे छोटी चीज कौन है.
That time Ramchandra, he is asking, what is that small thing which I have?
हनुमान कहले प्रभु आपनकर दुई अक्षर का नाम ये राम ये कृपा करी मते प्रदान करंतु सर्वदा ही नाम मो पाठे सर्वदा उच्चारण हो.
That time Hanumanji is telling to Ramchandra that Prabhu, your name is Ram. Let this 2-syllable word always be uttered on my tongue.
तो भगवान रामचंद्र जब हनुमान को पाकर ये बात सुने तो भीतर इतना आनंद वर्त है गला सीधा भगवान रामचंद्र आखिर आनंद से निर्गत होने लगेगा. और सेतबेले भगवान रामचंद्र हनुमान को आलिंगन करी राम नाम अधिकार दे.
That time when Ramchandra listened to the reply of Hanuman, he became so pleased that tears of joy started pouring from his eyes, and in this way he tightly embraced Hanumanji and awarded him the adhikar or the ownership that he can chant Ram Nam.
तेणु हनुमान संगे संगे कहले हे प्रभु ये छोटे वस्तु को विश्व समस्त उपहार समस्त चिशक्ति या
That time Hanumanji said that just by this small gift I have gotten the greatest gift more than anything in this world. I have gotten the spiritual power, spiritual strength.
नाम नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्व शक्ति सत्रा निमित्त स्मरण काल यदा दृश्य तब कृपा भगवान महावी दुर्दैव विद्वेषा.
But we have no taste for such name. So Maharaj, to today, because it is the December day of Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur, therefore Maharaj spoke about Srila Vrindavan Das Thakur.
Tomorrow I will discuss all Vrindavan. Yes, so now nothing, only
Kali Vrindavan Das Thakur continue. अच्छा.
tomorrow I will discuss about Vrindavan.
So Maharaj will again continue about Vrindavan Das Thakur tomorrow. Jai Shri Srimad Bhaktivedanta Adi Swami Maharaj ki.
The medicine